Hey there, how we all doing today? Today's a good day. We're going to be unboxing a new Seiko watch. And let's take a look here. This is model number SRPE05. So here we go. Let's take a look at this bad boy. This SRPE05 is the green King Turtle. And there we got a much more olive green, military inspired green. Probably not the green that people have been asking or expecting. People probably imagine more of another green like the Hulk green. And this one is definitely more of got a lot of gray in the green and definitely military inspired. There you got the books and everything under that little sheet there. And here we go. Let's take a look at the face. Like the Black King Turtle, it's very interesting. The face has more of a checkerboard pattern. This gives the watch a sportier look. So let's talk about the watch a little bit. Some of the new upgrades, the reasons why they call it the King Turtle. This series is because of it now has a sapphire crystal instead of the Hardlex crystal. And it's also got a Cyclops on top of the date and day. And the bezel is a ceramic bezel insert. The watch comes with a ceramic bezel insert, a definite upgrade from the other previous bezels, and it has a 4R36 movement, which is the same as other Turtle watches. This, like the other Turtles, is a professional dive watch. It's 200 meters or 660 feet. And you can see the magnifier there on this side, otherwise known as the Cyclops. It magnifies the day and the date. And that's also a new addition to the Turtle line in these models here. And the 4R36 is about 40 hours power reserve. And let's take a look at this on the wrist. And there you can see it. It's the same size as the other Turtles. The sapphire crystal has some anti-reflective coating, but it looks clear, but you still kind of see a lot of reflections here and there. Nice overall looking watch. You can see it here on my wrist. My wrist is about 7.5 inch wrist, and the diameter for this watch is 45 millimeters. Overall, it's I like how they added this new blood to the Turtle series. It changes it up instead of just always being different colors. Here you can see the loom on it. Seiko, always great loom. I'd like to take this time to thank you guys. Thank you all for checking us out. Thank you. Bye.